So previously I covered some jobs at this company Fleetio. However, the positions, or actually one of the positions, was actually pulled just the same day I posted a job lead about it. So you guys should definitely apply as quickly as possible to these positions because they are indeed going very quickly. A ton of people are applying. So be sure to get your applications in as soon as possible. So this is Fleetio. Overall rating on Glassdoor is 4.4 out of 5 stars. So rated higher than the industry average here. Not really a ton of info, but still good enough reviews and salaries reported here. So you guys could find them on Glassdoor, legitimate company. Currently they have an opening here, and this is for a customer experience operations analyst. And this is going to be a fully remote position within the US. So the customer experience operations analyst will play a role in supporting the customer success, onboarding, customer education, and support teams by providing data-driven insights and streamlining operational processes. You will be responsible for developing and maintaining a robust reporting framework, conducting data analysis, and administering customer success and support tools. So this is a job that you guys could apply to. Only downside here is there was no mention of salary. They do have benefits, so multiple health, dental benefits, vision insurance, 401k plan with 4% match, 4 weeks of paid time off, 12 company holidays, 2 floating holidays. You get parental leave, short and long-term disability. Short-term is 100% paid. They also give some bonuses here, quarterly bonuses. So really good company to work for. They also provide you with a MacBook and also new hire equipment stipend. But again, there was no mention of what the salary or salary range for this position was. But in this job, this is what you'd be doing. So they're looking for someone that will develop and maintain a comprehensive reporting framework to track key customer success metrics, also conduct in-depth data analysis to identify trends, opportunities, and areas for improvement within the customer base, develop and deliver regular reports and dashboards to provide actionable insights to the customer experience teams, analyze churn and retention data, and identify at-risk customers. And experience-wise, they're looking for someone that has 3 to 5 years of experience in a customer success, operations, or analytics role, bachelor's degree in business administration, finance, economics, or related field. Experience with Gainsight or Zendesk administration would be preferred. Strong attention to detail and accuracy, excellent at communicating complex data analysis, ability to work independently and as part of a team, passion for customer success, and a desire to drive operational excellence. So again, this is a job that you guys could apply to, but we're not really sure what it's paying. Although you could look through some of the Glassdoor salaries, that may give you an idea of what they're paying here. Now, similarly, there is another position here that is new. And actually, before we get into that position, just want to quickly remind you guys, if you are here and you're primarily looking for remote work from home jobs, be sure to go over to my second channel. That's going to be this channel right here, the work from home channel. This is where I'm currently posting the highest paying remote work from home job videos that I could find online. And here you'll find entry-level jobs and advanced level jobs, full-time, part-time, overnight, and jobs with flexible schedules. Also really good beginner-friendly jobs here that don't require a degree, only require a high school diploma. No experience is required, no interview is required. They pay you for training and they provide you with equipment. So some really good jobs here. If you want to start or get started in remote work, you'll definitely find some high or higher paying job leads here. So be sure to subscribe here if you are interested in this type of content, and be sure to have all notifications on. That way, whenever I'm able to find another high paying job lead, you can get notified in real time about that job lead. Now let's get back to Fleetio. So another position that they have open, which is new, is going to be the integrated campaign marketing specialist position. So this one is a newer position, and here most of the benefits are going to be the same. So you still get a MacBook with new hire stipend, you get the bonuses, you get 4 weeks of PTO, 401k match, 4%, 12 company paid holidays, 2 floating holidays. And in this position, you'd be required to create and analyze campaign and channel level reporting, partner with channel managers on the execution of assigned tasks and campaign activities, own pacing and delivery of campaigns, help to provide quality assurance on marketing campaign assets, and compile regular reports of campaign performance results. We're looking for someone that has a bachelor's degree in communication, digital marketing, or some other related field, 1 to 3 years of related job experience as well. Exceptional communication and project management skills, ability to manage several marketing campaigns simultaneously, excellent analytical skills, attention to detail for precise analysis of data, critical thinking and problem solving skills, ability to work with teams and collaborate, ability to work under pressure, time management, and multitasking skills. If you guys are interested, link will be down below where you can apply to this job. Again, these jobs are going very quickly, so be sure to apply as quickly as possible. Probably just open a new browser tab and apply while you're still watching or listening to this video. Also, they do have some other job openings here, around 14 job openings at the time of making this video. And we have the customer experience operations analyst, fully remote. We have the senior data engineer. This is remote in the USA, Canada, or Mexico. Most of these jobs here are going to be remote in the USA, Canada, or Mexico. Marketing position is remote in the US. They also have another position here, solutions engineer. This is remote in the US. As a solutions engineer here, you'll act as their tech expert, explaining the ins and outs of technology to potential and current partners to ensure Fleetio performs its intended functions. So this is another job that you guys could look into. Also, other jobs here will include, for example, they have a talent development specialist. This is also remote within the United States. So here, the talent development specialist is going to be responsible for content development, project management, also operational support. Again, they didn't really list any salaries. They don't really list any salaries for any of the positions here. So you definitely have to apply and ask these questions in the interview. Another position here, account executive, a mid-market. This is remote. There is no country listed here. So this may be a position that is remote from just about anywhere. So you could work from any country. So this is also something that you guys could look into. Actually, they have 3 of these positions here. So we have the account executive, we have the outbound sales development rep, and we have the sales manager. So these seem to be positions where you can apply from just about anywhere. As a outbound sales development rep here, you will use LinkedIn Sales Navigator, Outreach, Salesforce to identify, engage, and qualify prospective customers. You'll also partner with the account executives by creating a pipeline of opportunities for them to close, schedule meetings, or shadow demos. And this is another position that you guys could apply to. Again, same benefits here. And for this one, they actually do have a salary range. So compensation here is going to be around $48,000 base and then $32,000 variable. And it's also uncapped for the year. But this would give you an idea of what you could expect to make here. And again, you get the same benefits. So you get a MACBOOK, you hire equipment stipend, which is a big deal. You don't have to spend any money out of pocket to set up your home office because they provide you with a stipend for that. You also get a well-being fund, $150 quarterly, business expense stipend, $125 quarterly, and some other really good benefits here. So I'll actually leave the link down below to the careers page here at Fleetio. And this way you guys could go through all the career openings here right now, and you can apply for whichever you think is a better or best fit for you. But again, these jobs are going very quickly, so be sure to apply as quickly as possible. Also, if you're struggling with your resume or with landing interviews, be sure to check the links down below. There will be a link to the pro resume templates, professionally done resume templates optimized for the ATS system. So if you're struggling with landing interviews or landing job offers, this could greatly help you out. So that link is down below. But as always, all the best in making money online, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.